close till I
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, please subscribe, like and comment to our videos. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we are going to install PLP files within Pixellab. A PLP file meaning it is an already done work from Pixellab, but you can just edit it, yeah, when it is already installed into your Pixellab. So let's start. You open your you open your Zeta Kiva app. When you open your Zeta Kiva app, the app is here. After opening your Zeta Kiva, when the PLP file is not zipped, meaning it has no password, what you're going to do, you just go directly to Pixellab and look for the folder to where the PLP file was sent. Like when they send you the PLP file on WhatsApp, you just go to Pixellab, you go to my projects, then you tap on PLP, you look for the Pixellab in your WhatsApp folder. When someone sends a PLP file in Telegram, you just download it from Telegram, then you use the same method, you look for it in the Telegram folder. So for example, when you open your Pixellab here, to look for your PLP file, just tap on projects here. After, these are all PLP files in my phone. You tap on PLP. After, you tap on this arrow that is pointing upwards, this one. After tapping on this arrow, these are folders in your phone. So you look for the folder where the PLP file was sent. When it is sent via WhatsApp, meaning you're going to find it in WhatsApp. When you download it from Chrome, like a person sends you, like these ones, they were downloaded from Chrome. I see them, meaning when I tap in it, it just gets into the Pixellab. Like when I tap in this one, you see it's here. Yeah. So when the PLP is just sent direct with the word PLP, you just download it. Then you go to Pixellab, you tap on projects, you look for the folder where the PLP file was sent, on WhatsApp, on Telegram. Yeah. Then you download it. You just go on Pixellab, you look for it. Then the second method, when they send you a PLP file that is zipped, you have to unzip it, then you get the PLP. Because when it is direct PLP, we use the first method. When it is zipped, we extract it. When it is zipped, it's where we are going to use the Zeta Kiva app. Like when it is zipped, like let me search the zipped one here. Zip. Yeah, sorry, it's like this. Like these ones. For example, this one that is zipped. This one. So when you want to unzip it, you just tap on it, you choose extract. Of course, you have to go in the folder where they sent you that zipped file. When it's on Telegram, you download it, you go to Telegram folder, you're going to find it there when it's zipped. So after you tap on extract, after tapping on extract, don't tap on extract here, tap on extract. After tapping on extract, you're going to come here, then tap there, then you choose device storage. After choosing device storage, you're going to tap on device storage. You choose the Pixellab folder. You choose the Pixellab folder. It's here. After choosing the Pixellab folder, you tap in it. You choose presets. The preset subfolder is here. After choosing presets, then you come you come and tap on this button, this green button, so it's going to be extracted. You can see I extracted it some time back, so it needed a password, so you put the password, then you extract. Then after putting the password, you just go to your Pixellab, you go to my projects, you choose the folder. Now the folder will be Pixellab. So when you choose Pixellab folder, you are going to find your PLP file. Yeah, that's how you can install PLP files within your Pixellab. Then when you want to share your PLP file, for example, a PLP file, when you are sharing a PLP file, meaning it is your own work, you are the one going to share it. Like, let me show you one of my works here, like this flyer, like this work here. When I want to share you this work, what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on this arrow here. Then it brings two options: save as a project, save as an image. You can both save it as a project or save it as an image, but when you want to share it as a PLP, you first save it as a project. You save it as a project. So after saving it as a project, you give it a name, like let's give it Monday Vibes. Then you tap OK. So when you tap OK, it's saying saving done. So when you tap here on my projects, and you see the PLP files available in your Pixellab, you see it's the first one, it's showing me Monday Vibes. So when you want to share it, you just come and tap here on the share option. You're seeing it here, share option, it's here. So after tapping there, it's showing you saved storage emulated Pixellab Monday Vibes, meaning it has saved in the folder of Pixellab. So when you want to share this PLP, you just come onto your WhatsApp or Telegram. Let me open my WhatsApp. You just come on WhatsApp or Telegram, then just come on WhatsApp or Telegram. Like when I want to share this PLP file to a person, I just come here. For example, I want to share this PLP file here. I just come here and tap on this button. After tapping here, you choose document. Then you choose document. You choose browse other documents. So it's showing you complete action using files. You say just once. Then you tap here, you choose your phone storage. After choosing your phone storage, so these are the folders in your phone. So you choose the folder of Pixellab, this folder. Remember, we saved our PLP file as Monday Vibes. So when you tap in this folder of Pixellab, come here, search for, come here, search for Monday Vibes. When you search for Monday Vibes, you see they are bringing you the file. So when you tap in it, it's showing share Monday Vibes to Ricky Daddy too. You say send. So we are sending our PLP file now. It is showing me the PLP file has already been sent to the user. So when this PLP file is already sent to the user, meaning he's going to download it, then he will use the process of installing it into Pixellab. Then it will be installed and it is able to be edited when it's in Pixellab. You can lock its features, then you edit it. You also do your own work using this PLP file. Continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel. More content is coming in. That's all for today.